This is Dr. B. Let's find log base 2 of 16. Here's how you do it. So you take the 2, let's put that right here, and then let's put the 16 right here. And what we're asking is 2 to what power equals 16, like that. So if we look at 16, we could write 16 as 2 times 2, that's 4 times 2 is 8 times 2, that equals 16. So 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, that equals 16. So we can say 2 to the x equals 2 to the 4th. And that 4th right there, that's what the log of. So we know that x has to be 4. 2 to the 4th will give us 16. So log base 2 of 16 is 4. You could also just ignore the base here and say x equals 4. And that's what we got up here. That's how you find log base 2 of 16. The answer is 4. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.